Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. My name is Niki Fit Ramadan Hakim with student number 23050600075. In this video, I will review about the third week assignment lesson. Okay. In the third week meetings, we have a group discussion with our each group member. The group discussion is before the third meetings, Mr. Edo gives us a job sheet to print and had to brought it on the third meetings. Then at the class, Mr. Edo gives us an order to discuss with the each group's member. The sheet that have to fill on the third week meetings. The first one is monitoring form of group discussion. This form is given by Mr. Edo at the class. Then the number two, the sheet that have to fill is monitoring form of assessing and teaching. And the third one is monitoring form of assessment rubric for peer teaching and learning activities in groups. The sheet number 2 and number 3 that we have to print before the third meetings class. Then I will discuss about the first job sheet first. This is a monitoring form of group discussion. What have we done, or what have we feel at that monitoring form of group discussion? The first one is what the conclusion about the form is. The first one, my group haven't studied the thermodynamic cycle material in detail. And what will we do? Okay. What happened in polytropic compression process is still an unanswered question on number 7. So my group is still confused about the polytropic compression process on the number 7. Then our group have to study more about the material, and then we will discuss again about the first law of thermodynamics. What have we do? Each group member of our group have and will study more about number 7 because we still confused about number 7. And then we skip to the second form, is about monitoring form of assessing and teaching. The first one is each member of the group have already explained the numbers they work on. So on my group there are 5 members, include me, and they are already explained about the number, the job that they have to do. They have explained it. And then each member of the group also already note other member of the group's explanation. We note the explanation of other member in the sheet, the form that Mr. Edo already gives us, and some of us note it again in our private note. Okay, we continue to the last job sheet. is about monitoring form of assessment rubric for peer teaching and learning activities in groups. What have we do? Okay, each member of the group already give other member of the group it a score. In this job sheet, we have to score one by one how is the contribution of other members of the group to our group. Absolutely. What is the function of this group discussion? In this video, I have three functions for the group discussion. The first one is to give score of the other members of the group. Then we have to understand about the topic that our group discuss. And the last function is to see other members' ability about how can they explain about the topic. And the topic of this discussion is the first law of thermodynamics. I think that's it for the review of the review lesson of the third meetings. Thank you for the attention. I'm sorry if my language is not good. Uh, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.